Can the DHWBK 590AC01P bridge carry 17-channel 8MP camera at a distance of 1 kilometer? For outdoor security scenarios, the most important metrics that determine a wireless bridge's performance are its transmission distance and the number of cameras it can support. Today, we've come to the Chintang River to test whether our DHWBK 590AC01P bridge can handle the data streams of 17 asterisk 4K quality 8MP cameras over a distance of over 1 kilometer. The distance between the two banks of the Chintang River is more than 1 kilometer, about 1.2 kilometers. First, let's take a look at the camera locations. We've placed 17 cameras on the camera side wireless bridge, connected to the bridge's network ports via switches. The bridge then wirelessly transmits data to the storage device on the other side. We can see that the images from the 17 cameras are very smooth, clear, and stable. Let's take a look at the highest measured rate, which can reach to 296 megabits per second.